Hi friends, you are watching ODI video tutorial. Today I am going to explain about SCD type 3 implementation in ODI. So for SCD type 1 we can go for incremental update knowledge model. For SCD type 2 we can go for IKM slowly changing dimension knowledge model. For SCD type 3 we don't have a direct knowledge model in ODI. So what we need to do? We need to edit IKM incremental update knowledge model. Then we need to add one step, that is before inserting our update, I need to update if the record already exists in my target table in another column. So this is called previous salary and current salary. So this is for, we will maintain SC type 2 in different row, but in type 3 we will maintain history in different column with the same row, but type 2 same column, different row. So that is here type 3 we will go for one time history, type 2 we will go for number of times history. So here if you see here, before updating your current salary, the current salary we need to move to another column, previous salary. If you are not getting latest data, if you are not getting updated information, for example there is no changes in source, so that time it won't be moved. Only the source data and target data is not matching. Means there are some differences. That time what this will do? This will move, current salary will be moved to your previous salary. Then latest data from source will be updated into current salary. So that is called type 3 implementation. If you look here, if any receiving modified data from source, we need to move from current salary to previous salary before updating your source data. Like this. We need to move. If any change data coming from source, that we will move to your previous salary. That is a common thing. So we need to add an additional step before updating that. So then let's look into your example. I'm going to create one table. So this is my SCD type 3 table. There I have a two columns, previous salary and current salary. Then I'm going to create this table created in my target database schema. Then that we need to do reverse engineering in model. This is my target model I have already created. Go to selective reverse engineering and import those table created for type 3. Yes, I have a type 3. SCD type 3. Then I'm going to create new interface. Right click on this, generate interface here. So if you want to change this name, SCD type 3 example. Then project folder we need to select. Then click on OK. So directly it will be created. Target table as, go to mapping tab. Target table is my SCD type 3. Then source table is my source schema article. This is my ENT table. Then for current salary and previous salary, I will use same column for mapping. Then modified date, directly I will insert this is date, that is record modified date. If directly I am inserting into target table. Then important thing here, in go to quick edit for current salary and previous salary. For previous salary, deselect that insert update. Why? Because from source we are not inserting, right? From source column we are not inserting, or we are not updating from source. That is, we are updating from target column. See here in this diagram, we are updating from target current salary to previous salary. That's why deselect this. Previous salary we are not inserting or updating from source. Then where we are updating. For this we need to select UD1, UD2. So UD1 from current salary, UD2 the previous salary. So this selection I have updated in my knowledge model. So UD1 you need to select from UD1 and UD2 you need to update that. So update key is required. Why? Because this knowledge model is a incremental update knowledge model. That knowledge model we have customized for SCD tab 3. Go to flow tab, select your. So this is my customized knowledge model. Increment update I have customized as. Then I change name as here. Then currently I am disable link flow control. Then go to here in your knowledge models. I will show that what is the logic we have created for this knowledge model, same as your IKM incremental update, only have created one additional step. Here you can see this step have created, that is duplicated from existing step. Duplicated from existing step. See here. Before updating the target table, if target table already having that data we are moving to another column. That step here you can see. So this is the logic. Means your source column data current salary, your source column salary column data, and the target column salary column data if not equal. Not equal means if not equal means the data salary is updated in source. Then I am going to update in another column in same table, target table only. That's why you can see here UD2. UD2 is we have selected here in interface from UD1. From UD1. UD1 I am selecting data current salary and updating into UD2. See here. Not only UD1, UD2. You can select anything. You can give anything here. The same thing you need to mention your interface. Okay. If UD3 and UD4 you are mentioning here, same thing you need to mention your interface. Okay. Then this is the logic. This is the logic. Only one step I have added. One step I have added here before updating existing I have added that. That is that. Save our interface. Before running, first verify your target table. Any data is available. Currently there is no data. Currently there is no data. Now I am running my interface. Here executing. Session starter. Go to operator. Go to operator module session. So here you can see that's it. Code. What is exactly? Based on current salary from source table and target table, if not both are not equal. Both are not equal, that means salary got changed in source. Then that salary we are moving from target current salary to previous. This is the logic here for SCD. This is the logic. Same thing we have written in knowledge model. So how it will identify current salary, previous salary means based on your specification. Based on your specification. That where will specify in interface. I'm not inserting or updating from source column data. Here, see here, have that deselected. If you select this, it will select data from source. That's why I'm deselected this one. Then UD2 and UD1. Selecting data from UD1. UD1 is nothing but again I'm mentioning in my knowledge model. Target column. Then UD2 is nothing but target column again, that is previous salary. This is current salary. This is previous salary. The same logic you can see IKM. So this is the way we can go for implementing SCD package. This is the logic. Same knowledge model. IKM incremental update knowledge model. Here I mentioned UD1, UD2. Maybe you can mention anything. That mentioned UD you need to select in. Now go to your target table. We'll verify the data. Verify the data. First time previous salary will be null, right? Why? Because first time whenever running this will be null. Now I'm going to my source table here. This is my source table ENP. Then I'm updating salary King. King 5000 is available. I'm updating 5500. See here 5500. Then Miller also I'm updating 1300 to 3100. So if I run my interface, if I run my SCD type 2, what will happen? Before updating into target column, the target existing column data, it will be moved into another column. Now you can go here, see the service. That is King and Miller. Now you can see here. So timestamp we can verify because it's a SQL developer. We can see only DDMY format. If you want to see the modified exact mod date, you can go to your interface mapping, then right click data. Now we can verify here exactly modified timestamp. That is mod data. I have mentioned here mod date. See, previous is 58 minutes 10 seconds. This is the record. That is for King. King previous salary 5000, current salary is 5500. So next again he got a hike or something. Then this current salary will be moved to your previous salary. So that is where we can maintain one-time history in SCD type 3. One-time history in SCD type. So this is the way we can go for implementing SCD type 3 in ODI, because directly we don't have a knowledge model for implementing the SCD type 3. We are using same knowledge model, that is incremental update, adding additional step before updating your existing data. We will add additional step. For that we will use this step for updating existing column. Okay, so thank you very much watching my videos. All the best.